The remarkable durability of these panels means they survive decades of harsh weather conditions.
From ordinary sand to extraordinary energy. Let us see how it is made.
The Earth gives us the raw material for energy. The massive scale of this operation demonstrates the enormous The orange glow indicates the intense heat required as the phosphorus gas diffuses, turning the silicon into the N-type semiconductor essential for the photovoltaic effect. The screen printing process is remarkably precise, depositing silver paste in a pattern of fine lines that will collect the electrical current generated by the solar cell. Massive sheets of tempered low-iron glass arrive on the production line, where forklifts carefully move the glass sheets, and the camera EVA encapsulant sheets are unrolled onto the glass, covering the entire surface. The EVA protects the cells from moisture and impact, ensuring maximum light transmission. The assembled panel enters the laminator, which is a massive vacuum chamber where inside heat and pressure bond all layers into one solid unit. Aluminum frame sections are brought together, where robotic arms attach the frames to the panel edges, and screws are driven in and corners are sealed. Wires are connected to the junction box, and electrical connections are made. The box is sealed with silicone, and the cable exits, ready for connection to the grid. A perfectly uniform glow confirms that the cells are defect-free and the panel will perform reliably for decades. The final power test confirms full functionality. This panel is now ready to provide clean, renewable energy for decades to come. The loading of these shipping containers represent the final step in the factory process. The sealed container protects the panels during shipping. As the sun sets on today, we look to a future powered by the endless energy of the sun. A